Okay, on this video we are going to learn about how to manage the array of sign types, okay, which is this one, and at the same time how to manage the area of galleries, which is the one here in the bottom. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is create the picture. So I'm going to create the picture. For that we are going to use Photoshop. So let me get the Photoshop up. Okay, so we have Photoshop up, and okay, so like I was saying, we are going to create the frame in Photoshop. For that is File, New, okay, and the dimensions that we are using is 1014 1014 by 610. Resolution 72. The color mode is RGB color. So we know, well, we have the options of bitmap, grayscale, CMYK, color. CMYK is especially for printing, and RGB as well as color. Okay, then we have background contents of transparent. Okay, and everything is in order. Now let's click OK. This is going to create a frame that we are going to need. Okay, and okay, we are going to import the picture. For that we are going to do File, Open. Okay, and we are going to look for the picture. I have the USB file in here, which a few items. Let's look for a picture that, okay, we are going to use this picture. Okay, for that we do the first thing that we need to do is like I was teaching you, and see right here I'm using a magic wand tool. Okay, so I need to change to selection, and take the item, drag it to the second item, okay, and make the copy. After we make the copy, we do Windows, Arrange, double-sided, and drag from here to the frame, from the layers to the frame. And now we close it, we don't need it. Edit, free transform, minimize it, and drag it with Shift holding, so we can maintain the structure of it. Okay, okay, what we are going to do in this case is try to find a okay, in this case we need to be playing with it. Okay, what is more important is, I guess, the logo. So, and understand that everything is the logo, but you don't have a space. That is one of the things that we need to see, is that in some of the pictures you are not gonna have space. You need to focus, and you need to start playing with it until trying to find, you know, the right position where to put it. Okay, for this is save for web, Like I have said, JPEG medium 50 quality. The size is 99.06, which is still a little bit high. Let's say low. Okay, low is 4169K, still good. And if you can see right here is I mean, what we are looking for is for a 4169. At the same time, we want to see the picture and we want to see, okay, is it damaged? Does it look good or it doesn't look good? In this case, it looks very good, so we can use it. Okay, you see the quality is 10 low, but the picture still looks good. So we go save. Okay, and I create a momentarily folder where I'm gonna save it. Folder number 2. And this is Coffee Bean. We're going to save it. Alright, now let's go to it and let's go to the administration. For this area of sign types, the software is called BT Portfolio. So we go into components. Okay, remember components, BT Portfolios. Okay, BT Portfolios, click on it. Okay, and here we are going to choose the area of portfolios. Okay, we have portfolios, we can choose it here, or we can go to Portfolio Manager, which is located in here, and this is what is going to open. Okay, if we are in this area now, we are going to create a one of the sections. Okay, one of the sections, the ones that are here. To do that, we go new. Okay, and like I was showing you, the most important part is you can repeat the title. Like let's say we are going to use the word coffee bean. Coffee bean. What was it? The coffee bean. Okay, let's put the coffee bean. The coffee bean. Okay, the coffee bean. Neon sign. Neon sign. Okay, but here in the alias we have the ability to do a different okay, let's say in the future you are going to have 3 the coffee beans. Okay, so let's start with this and let's say neon dash, which is important, sign dash, and this is used just in the alias. The reason is because in the computer language spaces doesn't exist. Okay, spaces are located with different codes that doesn't go with SEO. So we go neon dash signs dash 1. Okay, here if we have another one that says the coffee bean 2, okay, we go neon signs 2. So the difference is, as I was explaining you when I was in the shop, is that let's go to pole signs to show you something. Okay, the name of it is Pole Signs in Culver City. Remember that we were showing about this. Okay, and but the name is Pole Signs in Culver City, which the name is here, the coffee bean neon signs. But the link is Pole Signs 1 HTML. What is the difference? Is that if we change the name, let's say we made a mistake or made a writing mistake, a grammar mistake, we don't want to break a link. So we have the ability that even if I change and I said okay neon sign and neon signs, okay, it's not gonna break a link. So let's go to category and now let's look for neon signs. Okay, and we are going to select the category. Okay, ordering, we don't touch it, that's going to be automatically. Later I'm going to show you what as ordering means. URL is going to write it automatically. The feature is ours yes. Okay, here we do access public, language is all, status is publish, ID we don't touch it. And now let's go to the front so I can take a little bit of the content that you have in the front so I can use it with it. Okay, we have this one. Let me use this content. Okay, and let me put it in a notepad and let me use a little bit. This neon signs will let your customers know you are ready for their business. Since let's use this small little area, and this is going to be the short description. Neon signs will let your customers know you are ready for the business. The coffee bean. The coffee bean has taken the best decision on a beautiful neon sign. Okay, let's this is gonna be the short description. Let's put a little bit more on the full description. Okay, which is at the bottom. Remember, I'm just scrolling down. Okay, it's short description, full description. Okay, we do here, and let's take the rest of it and say, well, your customers know the coffee bean has taken the best decision. A beautiful neon sign. If you are a night service business, as a club, sport bar, restaurant, or just want to call the attention of every customer with a bright color lights, neon signs is the best solution for that. Okay, the thing looks good. Okay, what I was explaining, which is it helps a little bit, is let's highlight the keywords. Business. Business. Neon signs. Service business, restaurant. Okay, in this case it will be like restaurant signs, sports bar signs. You know what I mean? You have the ability of using those keywords. Club, bright color lights, and neon signs. Okay, so I have neon signs again here. Let's use it, the advantage of it. Okay, and that's about it in this area. Now let's go up and let's save it, because we took a little bit of time creating this. Now because we have finished. Okay, now after we did this, let's go to extra fields. Okay, and here we have something that is already written. You just need to check if it's convenient to that kind of work. It's high-tech signs and new incorporation, provided the services of sign designing, sign fabrication, sign installation. If you want to write a little bit more, you can write it, or if you want to remove a few things, you can remove it. Okay, let's go to media. Okay, for that, let's upload that image. Let's go to desktop. Let's look for new folder 2 where we created. Let's go to coffee bean. Okay, and we have uploaded the size. Okay, we can go to edit, and here just change the name, and we can call this is gonna help us with SEO. So this is neon signs. Okay, let's neon signs. Neon sign. Okay, let's not use, this is very important, let's not use commas, let's use dashes on the title. Okay, neon signs, neon sign fabrication, and neon sign installation. Okay, we just get with different things concerning that. Okay, this description is concerning more about this area, not because of the video URL embed code, not too much about this. Let's not use it on this in this case. Okay, let's click OK, save. Okay, so that we go back again. It says media. The picture is in there. It's yellow because this is the default one. Now let me explain you why is there is a default, because we do file open. Okay, and let's look for the next picture, which is this one. Okay, and let's upload it in the same position. It's in the same thing because it means concerning the same item. So let's go edit, free transform. Maybe we have a little bit of luck with this one. Okay, okay. You see, it looks a little bit better. Okay, it's a little bit more visible of what the whole sign. Okay, let's focus more on the sign. So we do file, save for web, of course. Still looks good. Coffee bean, and let's name the name Coffee Bean 2. Okay, we save it. Let's go back and let's upload the next image. This is Coffee Bean 2. Here we have it, and let's change again the Coffee Bean and neon signs, neon sign, neon sign, neon sign. Okay, keep making the mistake with coffee bean. Okay, say okay, let's save it, and now let's go to advanced. You don't touch anything. Okay, created date, modified date, heats, and total comments. You don't do nothing about this. And then we go to metadata, right now I'm gonna put it as index follow, and in another video I'm gonna show you the structure of what metadata, meta title, meta keywords, meta description works. If you remember, I explained you that while I was in your shop. Okay, but I want to show you different things. Let's go, let's save and close. Okay, and we finished with this one. Now we have the Coffee Bean neon signs. Okay, let's go to the front of the website. Let's go sign types, and let's look for sign types. Let's click new sign types first. Scroll down, and here we have it, the one that we just created. Okay, now if we getting into it, remember neon signs 1 HTML, the Coffee Bean neon sign. Okay, we have it. It's changing right here. It has all the information. What I advise you is always do rating. Help yourself rating it with 1, and this is ready to go. Okay, it's ready to go in this area. But now let's go to the second area, the second gallery, and let's go to galleries, and we have here neon signs. Okay, okay, we go to components, and for this is Ignite Gallery, components Ignite Gallery. And what I want to show you, what is appearing mistaken there is because basically I didn't publish all of them. Okay, just publish right now, and okay, I'm gonna put images. How will you put images? Okay, all the categories are done already, so the only thing that you need to do is components, ignite gallery, images. Okay, let's go to images. Okay, here we have the images. Now the first thing that we need to do is select the category what we are going to work on. Where are we going to upload the images to? So in this case it's neon signs, so we select neon signs, and look what happens is that this frame upload is gonna open. Okay, so we have this one. Now let's add the files. And let's upload these two pictures. Okay, if you see, okay, what I did is hold control, click one, click the second one, and it's gonna highlight everything. Another one is click the left button like highlighting. Okay, and let's select all the pictures. Okay, let's remember something. We are using the size of 1014 by 610. Okay, 1014 by 610. Continue using that size. That's the size that you need to use. So let's click open. Okay, and now we have the two pictures ready to go up with 43 KB, which are perfect. Okay, let's go start upload. You see the button start upload is in here. Okay, which was just a click on it. Okay, we have the two pictures. Okay, now let's go up, and let's go to the neon signs from the website, and voila. Okay, here we have the pictures. Okay, this one we change it. Okay, and as you can see, we have the watermark too. Okay, which is gonna be automatically put it on all the system. Okay, so this is basically how to use the same pictures into the same thing. Okay, let me explain you something. This is optional. Is really advisable, but it's optional. Okay, this is your job if you want to do that. Okay, basically what is important is, let's say you have all these pictures, okay, and you wanna come and says tags, click on edit. Okay, this one, tags are like keywords for it, okay, for a picture, and that's the ideology of it. Okay, image tag, separate multiple tags with a comma. So it is important, but in the way that if you really want a strong image SEO, if you want to appear on Google as on images, okay, if that is your case, I mean, yes, use like the coffee bean. Wow, keep making that mistake. Coffee bean, sign, neon sign, indoor neon sign, outdoor neon sign, etc. Okay, we have that one. Image alternate text. Okay, yes, it's good for this to get in. Is get into the to the pictures and go image alternate text and always put an alternate text for the picture. This is very important for SEO. Just remember in this. Okay, the area of this is neon signs. The best neon sign. Okay, sorry, no commas, very important on this one. On the image alternate text, on this one yes, but in this one no. Image link, if you are interested about taking this one and linking it somewhere, you can do it. I don't advise if you are gonna be doing like linking from here to sign types and vice versa. Don't do that. That's not a good way of playing. Okay, access is public, created by High Tech Science and Neo Incorporation. Hits is 10. This is gonna be normal. Status, I was published, start publishing, finishing options. Okay. Here you can write the description for it, which let me show you something. Okay, let's this is the best solution for that. Okay, let's save it. Okay, and you see here, this is how it's gonna appear. Okay, we have the tags and we have that description that we put, but of course if it change, okay, it's not changing the picture. Okay, let me tell you something. This is these things that are here are very important for SEO. A lot of people doesn't like it, but it's your option. Okay, of course, social media, you have share, you have the Google Plus. I'm gonna show you this after we finish the website. Don't do anything right now, don't be playing with it, don't post it, because the website is not published and you don't want for people to visit it right now. Okay, it's gonna show you the views, and it has this feature of report image. Okay, report image gives you the ability that, let's say, okay, you put a picture, but you know that there's some companies that they are just assholes, if I can say that. They don't like for you to put something, or they don't want for you to put something. They can report it, and you just put it. They put it and they will let you know. Okay, but here it's just a security feature of websites. If you want me to remove it, just let me know and we'll remove it. Okay, so let's go to, let me go back again here, and okay, we have sign galleries. Here in sign galleries, in this case, if you can see here, everything looks bad, and the reason is because this one is waiting for all the pictures to be uploaded. Okay, and this is basically what happens in those cases. All right, so I hope this video is helpful, and if you have any questions, okay, let's remember this. Okay, let me go back about the SEO thing of PT portfolios. Okay, this SEO thing that I'm going to show you is for everything, absolutely everything, whatever you do in the website. This SEO works with it. Okay, let's go to portfolios, and let's go to the coffee bean. Okay, the one that we did. All right, and one for you to pay attention. Okay, the reason why we installed this software, that the PT portfolio, is because it gives you a lot of SEO tricks. It gives you a lot of things, that a lot of opportunity for you to maintain that SEO working with it. Okay, but you need to do a lot of work, and you need to do a lot of the important things. Okay, let's look for this, and let's look what we wrote in this area. Okay, why? Because this is what Google is seeing. So from this area, Google is coming and saying, okay, Give me SEO related to what you wrote, related to what people is seeing. If you put, okay, you have something about neon, but you start writing about dance clubs or something not even related to it, even if you go LED signs or something but it's not related to what people are saying, it might work, but at the same time it might affect you, okay, because that is called crossover spamming. Okay, so let's go again. In this case we are talking about neon signs. Okay, we have neon signs, we have business neon signs. Okay, what I'm doing, look at this, what I'm doing is I'm taking these words and I'm creating my own keywords based on what I wrote. That's why it's very important what you wrote in there to be a good thing, to be, you know what I mean? So neon signs, business neon signs, neon sign. Okay, let's play with the word. Night neon signs, I don't know. Neon sign services. Bright neon signs. Okay, so that is good keywords. Now let's go to meta description. Okay, tech signs in LA. Oops. Okay, let's put in some of them. Let's put Los Angeles. Let's. But one of the things that's very important is the word in Los Angeles. It's funny because the word in Los Angeles is not being recognized in Google because it's in Spanish. Okay, so let's put high-tech signs in Los Angeles, California. In some of the things, let's remember that you cannot repeat the title, neither that description, okay, on any of the things that you do. If you do, basically it's going to appear in Webmaster and it's going to block you from having a good SEO experience. Okay, so high-tech signs in Los Angeles, California, is the best company for neon sign fabrication for any kind of business signs. High tech is the best solution. High tech is the best solution. Okay, let me explain you something. There is a rule that says, okay, use 20 words for description. Okay, this doesn't, it means yes, use 20 words, but it means don't exceed too much. Okay, that's basically what they're saying. But I mean, yes, 30-40 words, I mean, that's out of the question. But let's count this one. Okay, high tech signs in Los Angeles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27. Okay, skip. So we have that one. Okay, let's take this and now let's go to neon sign fabricators, neon sign company. Okay, neon sign fabricators, neon sign company in Los Angeles, neon sign company in Los Angeles, California. Okay, so let's go for SEO. Basically, if you saw right here, everything what we are writing is related to everything what is in here. Okay, we have neon sign company. Okay, in Los Angeles, California is related to the text that we wrote in the front. Okay, as well as the meta description that we are writing in this area. So everything is linked together. Okay, we have here, this is that meta description. Okay, and the meta keywords. Okay, we have index follow, and this is good. Now we go save and close. Okay, this is basically how to do SEO on these areas. Okay, thank you, Edward, and I hope again, I hope that this video will be helpful for you.